morning, buddy.
We must work hard today.
Toby, you missed a spot. Clean it up now.
Resilience. I must stay strong.
You are so slow! We are starving!
These are for me, not for you, dirty boy.
Wash, dry, fold. Wash, dry, fold.
Oops. I dropped some mud.
You call this clean? Do it all again! Again.
Ow! Please, not my ear!
Half for me. Half for you, buddy. I miss you, Mommy.
Give it to me. Trash.
Thanks for staying with me, buddy.
Will anyone ever pick me?
Today's word is hope.
Don't drop them, you useless boy!
Oops. My bad. You look funny.
Oh dear. My oranges.
Move out of my way, old lady! Toby! Don't waste my time!
Here you go, ma'am. Let me help you.
Bless your heart. You are remarkable.
Get over here immediately, stupid boy!
Arthur, keep an eye on that boy.
Oh no, he is lost.
Hey, it is okay. I am a good guy.
Are you hungry? Have some bread.
Let's find your mommy together.
Oh, my baby. Thank God. Thank you. You are an angel. Arthur, we must do something.
Where were you? Get moving now!
Remarkable. Remarkable.
Clean this mess right now!
Look at the mud monster! Buddy, you will get cold. Go inside.
Please open the door. I am cold.
Dad! Dad is home!
Toby? Why are you outside?
Oh, Mark, he ran out to play in the mud. He never listens.
Please, I didn't mean it.
I am so tired, Toby. Stay out there until you learn.
I am sorry, buddy. This is my fault.
This is unacceptable.
We must save that little boy, Henry.
Arthur, get the car ready. We go now.
Hold on, Toby. Help is coming.
Oh my goodness! A billionaire! Welcome! Welcome to our home. How can I help you?
Out of my way. Where is the boy?
Henry, look at this. Oh, Toby. We came for you. You are safe now. Oh, he loves playing in the mud. It is a game.
Silence! Do not insult my intelligence! Watch your wife, Mark. See what she really is. What have you done? What have I done?
Mark, I can explain! Please!
Are you an angel?
No, Toby. We are your new family.
Toby, I am so sorry. Forgive me.
I forgive you. But I must go.
Sir, can my dog buddy come too?
Of course! Buddy is family now.
Wow, this is so big.
Welcome to your new home, Toby.
This massive burger is all for you!
This is the best food ever. I want to be articulate.
Knowledge is true power, son.
Good catch, buddy. You are the fastest.
It is official. You are Toby Sterling.
Do you think I could call you Mom?
Yes, sweetheart. I am your mom.
See? I am a professional pancake flipper. Today's word is grateful. Grateful means you appreciate how far you have come.
There are 1,000 more happy mornings to come.
Good night, son.
A real family chooses you every single day.
If nobody told you today, you are remarkable. Subscribe and see you next time.